Here's a recap of our California 14-day trip, which started in Solvang at the Wine Valley Inn for 3 nights. From there, we headed to Long Beach and stayed at the Hyatt Regency for 2 nights. After that, we went to Disneyland and stayed at the Grand Californian Resort for 7 nights. Here's a glimpse of what we did.
Our Jeep's coming right for you. The rest of you, we invite you to stay up on deck, feel the wind in your face, and experience the wonders of this land we now know as America.
We ended our stay at the Hyatt Regency at the LAX airport in a club-level room. This was the perfect place to stay before catching a flight back home to Orlando. This hotel almost seems like it's part of LAX since it's so close. Here's a view of the entry to the reception desk. The Unity Open Market features elite coffee, fresh-made salads, sandwiches, and more. Here's a view of our room on the club level floor. It's very spacious, cozy, and comfortable. We were real close to the Regency Club. Let's check it out. We've been to many Hyatt Club level lounges, and this is the first one that looks like a bank vault. Check it out. With your room key, you have access 24 hours a day. This is the Concierge Desk. Over here is a nice relaxing area with a TV next to a private conference room. Looking out the window, you'll see how close you are to the LAX sign. Now let's see the hors d'oeuvres for this evening. We start off with the mushroom soup. It was so delicious, like all the food was. You can make your own cocktail or grab a beer or soda from the fridge. More seating over here, which was nice. Here we have dumplings with sweet and sour sauce. Spring rolls. Later that night we came back for assorted desserts. Later we had desserts. My favorite is the lemon bars. Breakfast the next day was really good. You have assorted nuts and cereals. You have your fruit pastries, coffee cake, bread, croissants, more pastries, breakfast sandwiches, pork tamales. These were really good. Assorted fruits, my favorite, of course. Then you have your meats, cheeses, and salmon. Bagels and breads. Jams and butter. You got your oatmeal. This is what we had. It was delicious. Here's a view from the fitness room. This is the presidential suite, which is used for banquets and wedding receptions. Also a great place for viewing airplanes landing. I'll go ahead and show you what they had for breakfast and dinner on the second day. Breakfast was almost the same, but changed the entrees with French toast and breakfast wrap. Dinner hors d'oeuvres day 2. Beef and cheese wraps, assorted breads, chips and salsa, assorted nuts.
No, I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back. Today's just my day off. Yeah, she'll be back tomorrow.
And of course your veggies.
So the menu is lunch. She's coming right back.
Meats and cheeses, plus a yummy soup. The next morning we took the hotel shuttle. It was so quick. The route from the hotel to the terminal avoids all that LAX airport traffic.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan.
Check out all these beautiful views. Look at the Pacific Ocean. This was incredible to watch. Looking out your window and wondering what's your next adventure.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Well, we had a blast in this trip. Now let's go back home to Disney World, our reality. So yeah, Sparky was left on the bed. I left him on the bed. And they were so kind to send him back. I was so happy. I was so sad the last day, but when they called me and said they were going to ship him, I was super happy, and they left with the letter.